The Chelsea neighborhood in Manhattan is a great place to stay if you're thinking about booking a New York City trip. We booked a room at the fairly new Renaissance New York Chelsea Hotel.
In this video, we will give you an inside look and room tour so you can get a preview of what this property has to offer. Check-in was pretty easy, and as you can see, the lobby is pretty modern and has a nice looking bar. Card, huh?
Card.
25th floor?
Yes,
Pretty high. Maybe we'll have a view, maybe not.
Well, I think this goes up, even that's a 36. I believe there's even like there's a rooftop bar that's in club or whatever.
Oh, really?
Full, separate
Oh,
from the
yeah.
hotel. And then I think that's on the 38th and 39th floor.
Oh,
But
separate elevators.
yes.
Tower Terror, huh?
Yeah.
What room number?
903.
Right here. Yeah. Well, just like all New York City hotel rooms,
Little
pretty tiny, but this one has a better view than the hotel I was just at.
This one with the coloring and stuff, it makes it feel a little more open. Or
Yeah. I like these lights. What are your outlets there? Pretty nice bathroom.
Mm-hmm. Nice shower.
Yeah.
Well, this
Cool with the
property opened up early 2020, and then the pandemic happened. So
Yeah, so it's like brand new.
yeah.
These little rabbit things to hang your stuff up there. All right, let's check out this view. We're on the 25th floor. Yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. That's classic.
That's a New York City view.
This is a New York City view here. Love it. Very cool. All right, one negative thing about the room, no fridge. We got a bunch of waters. Open this up. Yep, you got your Bibles, safe, tea, storage, books.
But I guess you can always get ice.
Yeah, guess we'll have to get ice. Not over here or anything, is it?
No. There's no.
Overall, the hotel room was very clean, and I really enjoyed the view, especially at night, just looking out on all the lights. Some of the interior decoration in this hotel was really off the charts, pretty cool, and there is an Italian restaurant in the lobby that we did not try, but I'm sure it's a treat.